This motorhome is the Mobilvetta Design P64, and this vehicle will cost 85,160 euros. It is 7 meters long, 235 wide, and its height 295. Ready to go, you're looking around 3,130, so it gives you 370 kilos of payload. This vehicle has here a face-to-face lounge. It has captain's chairs, as you'd expect in all vehicles. It's got a up there. It is a bed, kitchen, and a German layout at the back. And it's got a wonderful design, as Mobilvetta does in everything. Wonderful design, but not always practical. And right, so the back here, I do like the way this looks. I mean, there's a bit of space there for keeping things like dead mice or whatever else you might want, and beer cans. We've got up here this storage space, and with a bit at the end which is completely wasted unless it's used for something technical, which I can't quite work out what. We've got lights at either side, reading lights, and large window, more storage, and a pouch for keeping things in. Down here we have got something to make this into the German layout. This thing here, this board will come out to about here, and then you put on the other mattresses, to be two pieces, which fit in here, and you make yourself an enormous bed. Now the other bits of the mattress are probably in the garage or lying around somewhere else, but this will bring us to our first problem, is that this thing here doesn't come out properly. Yeah, you see, oh, it's meant to come out, but it doesn't. Of course I can move the mattresses, but you see still, I mean, and the practical thing about this is that, you know, this, we're here at an event, this mattress has got a mattress cover on it and a sheet, which is possibly what you'd have on it anyway, and the only way I can actually get this board out is by moving the mattress to one side. I think in time this is just going to damage the mattress with this thing going backwards and forwards, this plate going backwards and forwards. This plate is a very bad idea. What it needs is a sliding plate, which other vehicle manufacturers have. But whilst I'm in here and complaining, well, I'm not going to complain now because I think this is great. Yeah, I'm going to complain about something. This is the wardrobe, which would benefit from a light inside, but there's lots of storage down there. There's also a bit of storage here as well. On the other side, we've got a pink box, which can go up there, and I'll lift this up from here to demonstrate. I would do if it wasn't. Well, there's something stopping this. Don't know what. Anyway, so there we have a wardrobe on this side as well. Which leads me on to the thing about Mobilvetta Design. It's wonderful design, but the quality is lacking, unfortunately. Anyway, never mind that. So let's come on to this. We can close this off here with these doors. The problem with doors is that once they've been on the go for a while, they tend to rattle. And it is, of course, always nicer when the doors have the same gap all the way down. Anyway, never mind that. In here we've got this bathroom. It's with so wonderfully bright, large bathroom. It's got a skylight up there. Here we have a thing that comes out like that to reveal the shower, which is up here. Now, this thing here, this feels a bit like card. They wouldn't have put real card in this. Surely that is something which is not card, I would hope. It's in the bathroom. I don't know if it's card or it isn't card. I'm not saying it is card, but it certainly feels like it. But anyway, that has to go there like that in order to get a hold of the shower head. And this is a pity, because it means to say that you can't see yourself in the mirror for shaving. The shower's also got this thing here, an extra, which isn't a bad idea. Oh, this lady's gonna talk. I'm just gonna film while she's rapping on. Okay, that's all right. So the show has ended for today, but I'm going to continue. Three burners there, which is which is normal. In here we've got a sink. Unfortunately, the sink has a old style camper van plug, and up front here we've got two sideways seats. But before I show you the sideways seats, I want to show you that the bed will come down. Let's have a look at the bed coming down. So it comes down to that position. You've got this large bed here. It doesn't require a key, which some of them do, which is a bit daft, because if it's meant to be child-proof, but a child, in my opinion, usually can't reach up that high, unless they're particularly tall children. You've got a net in here, which comes out to stop you falling out of bed, and it's held up by something like this. And that holds up, goes up there, and catches on that. So that's the idea of that, is to, of course, stop you falling out. There's under the bed, you would probably not be able to continue drinking when another person was asleep, which in any case would be bad manners. You can, of course, sit up there up front, but maybe you should go to bed if somebody else has gone to bed. Let's put this back up. Right, and now, 4 belted positions. The seat belt, one seat belt is here, and the second seat belt is here. This chair here, you can see this thing here down there, this thing here. I'm sorry, I can't do this with just one hand. This thing here will come up to here and create a back, so that when you're driving, you're facing forwards. And that, it's a bit of a complicated thing to do. You need to take this up, and you got a space down there for your legs, but you are facing forward, which I believe may now be either a legal requirement in some places, or at least it is safer in the result of an accident. I'm sorry I can't show it to you, and I've got no videos at present where I actually demonstrate it because of the problem of needing someone to hold the camera. This is a mirror which you can use to see yourself as you are leaving. Well, I mentioned the bits that were missing from from making the German layout, and there they are. But with the proviso that I said, when you bring that bored down what's like to happen. This garage can take 150 kilos in weight. It's got two enormous doors, as you can see. You've got the same size on the other side, yes. And here, got an outdoor shower. We've got a 230 plug, and we've got a light switch. It could do, of course, with a 12-volt plug as well, so you can charge up your electric bikes, which I think would be a good idea. Right, so there you have the Mobilvetta Design P64. I think it's next, that's called the P64 if I remember rightly. And there you go. It's got a 5-year guarantee for €888. Hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest channel on YouTube for motorhomes and camper vans, and I have lived in a vehicle, an RV since 2011, so I've got a little bit of experience in these things. So if you're interested, this is the place to be. So you might want to subscribe. Alternatively, you mightn't want to subscribe. Whatever. Thanks for watching.